30-day jump rope challenge for losing weight. Jumping rope is a great way to lose weight. While jumping rope, you can burn more than 10 calories in a minute. In addition to burning calories, jumping rope can give strength to your arms, shoulders, bottom, and feet. The great thing about jumping rope is that it is easy to do, and you can burn hundreds of calories in just 10 to 20 minutes per session. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. This high-intensity exercise is very good for your heart. It is a high-impact cardio exercise. If you are trying to lose weight, or if you just want to maintain the weight that you already have, then jumping rope is a great option. This can be a fun and lengthy task, and rope jumping is something that can be done at any time of the day. You can choose to jump rope outside, if it is good, or you can choose to jump rope inside your house. If you are jumping rope in the morning or late at night, you can make sure that there are no serious neighbors below you. More than jumping. Rope jumping is a lot more than jumping on your two legs. There are various jumps that you can do to get the maximum benefit from your workout. One thing you can do is a single leg jump. A single leg jump requires you to jump on just one leg for a certain time. After that time has passed, you can go ahead and switch to your other leg and do the same pattern. Another great way to jump rope is to do HIIT workouts with your rope. You can use your rope and alternate squats, burpees, and push-ups, or you can also run with your jump rope. By increasing speed or doing workouts that challenge your big leg muscles, you can increase your endurance and strength. How about a challenge? If you are a person who is moderate to a normal jumper, then a 30-day jump rope challenge is a great idea for you. This exercise can combine different degrees of jumping. We designed a great schedule. First 5 days, 10 squats, 20 step-ups, 20 jump ropes, repeat 2 times, increase 2 sets each day, and relax on the 4th day. Next 5 days, 18 squats, 24 step-ups, 35 jump ropes, repeat 2 times, extend each set by 2 days, and rest on the 7th day. Next 5 days, 10 squats, 10 step-ups, 30 jump ropes, repeat 3 times, extend each set by 2 days, and rest on the 7th day. Next 5 days, 10 squats, 10 step-ups, 30 jump ropes, repeat 3 times, extend each set by 2 days, and rest on the 7th day. Next 5 days, 10 squats, 40 jump ropes, repeat 4 times, increase each set by 2 each day, and rest on the 7th day. Next 5 days, 20 squats, 10 step-ups, 200 jump ropes, repeat 2 times, increase 2 sets each day, increase the growth ropes by 5, rest on the 7th day. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.